What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Oppo Reno 11 5G, Reno 11F or whatever Oppo smartphone you got if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are stuck at the lock screen. So here we go. So here I am at my lock screen. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN, password and I'm stuck here. So to remove any kind of security you need to do this from the settings, or you need to perform a hard reset. Once again, that you can do from the setting, but since you are logged out of the device you cannot go to the settings and perform any of these activities. So I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from the lock screen to remove all kind of security from your device. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you caught on your device will be deleted as well. So the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once it is switched off, you need to press the power key and volume down key together. Press and hold them like this until the Oppo logo appears on the screen. After that, you can move the finger from the power key but keep pressing the volume down. And then you will reach this screen where it will ask you to select the language. So you can use the volume keys to go up and down between the option and power key to select. So use volume down to go to English, then press power key to select it. Then on the next screen you will find the first option is format data. This is what we are going to use. So press power key once and then it will ask you to enter some random number, 6071 in my case. It is asking it because everything will be erased from your device, so Oppo wants to make sure that you are really doing this activity. Now just tap on this format and the formatting of the data is started and completed as well. Tap on OK and the device will reboot by itself. Once the rebooting is finished, we will start totally fresh with our device, so we will have to go through the setup process, select the time zone, language and all of the stuff we did in the beginning. We will have to do it one more time and then we will see whether we really got the access back to our Reno 11 5G here or not. So you can see that it is asking me to set up the lock screen method. That means the previous one is gone, but let's finish our process and let's see how it goes. And here we go. So now we are at the home screen of our Oppo Reno 11 5G, and as you can see we got the access back to our device. It is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen pin and we are good to go. So this is how you can remove any kind of security from any of your Oppo smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you're stuck at the lock screen. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You can also support me by joining my channel membership and by super thanks, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.